morning, everyone. I'm Shivang Mehta. Today, I'm going to do a technical analysis of a software company known as Ekennis Software Private Limited, based in Bangalore. It is coming up with its IPO very soon. It is opening on 21st of February. So today, we are going to study in-depth and in analysis of the company. So it is company says that it's a very good opportunity to create the financial wealth for future using the shares of this company. So let's go ahead and know about this company more. So Acne Software Service Limited is engaged in business of software, IT solutions and consulting services, IT product, software development and software training, ERP solution, learning management solution, 3D printing, digital printing and packaging, digital designs consultancy. It also provides business process analysis, system design, technical expertise, implementation, training and support services, and expertise in SAP ERP. In IT solutions, Ekennis Software is a ERP solution provider organizing solution implementation in SAP, Oracle, and Microsoft. D and digital printing, it provides 3D printing and packaging services for retail, food, entertainment, personal and hygiene, industrial, and agriculture industries. So as you can make out, this company caters to all the types of companies in different ways through different, so technological softwares. And it is one of the company which is, taking its step towards the web 3.0 AI solutions and all that. So company has very good prospects in business, but still company is a small cap company, and it is in its growing phase. Moving forward, coming to its financials of the company looks pretty strong. Company's assets in financial year 2019-20 was 163 crore. Next year it was 261, and in current financial year, on 15 Jan 2022, total assets of the company are 301 crore. So as you can make out, there is a quick growth in the total assets of the company. So we can make out that company is increasing its capital investment and establishing infrastructure to cater to its clients more efficiently. Its revenue has also been growing growing over the years. In the first year 2020, it was 485 crore, then 468 crore, until 15 Jan 2022, total revenue of the company is 367 crore, which I'm sure is going to cross last year's hurdle of 468 crore at the end of this financial years. Coming to the profits of the company, profit of the company looks quite volatile. In financial year 2019-20, company made 22 crore, but very next year there was fourfold jump in the profit to 94 crore, and this year company has made 70 crore. So from now on, looks like company has started to, look at its profits and profit, and decided to increase its margin. That's why we can make out that profit after tax is consistently started to increase in last couple of years. Moving forward, IPO details of the company. IPO is opening on 21st Feb 2022. It is closing on 24th Feb 2022. Issue type is fixed price issue IPO. So price of the IPO is fixed at 72 rupees per share, and so you can make out as face value of 10 rupees. The premium company asks for is 62 rupees. Market lot is 1600 shares, and minimum order quantity is 1600 shares. Listing at BSE SME. So as you can make out, this must be new for some of you. Bombay Stock Exchange, SMEs for small companies, where company with very small capitalization can list themselves and take the advantage of listing and gain credibility. Companies coming up with 4 lakh equity shares at rupees 10, aggregating to 2.88 crore, and 4 lakh of new fresh issue. So 4 lakh new shares will be issued. The equity will not be diluted for that. So, and coming to the dates of the IPO, as you know, opening on 21st, closing 24. Basis of allotment date is 2nd March. Initial of refunds 3rd March. credit of shares to Demat account 4th March. IPO listing date is 7th March. And coming to the, you know, promoter holding and the whole structure of the capitalization structure of the company. So to, as this point at this point of view, holders of the company, owners of the company holds 100% of the shares. After IPO, owners of the company will hold 71% shares. So they will still have majority rights and voting rights in the company, and they will continue to take decisions and drive company towards growth. Coming to the objectives of the IPOs, first objective of IPO is to purchase plant and machinery. So companies looking towards investing capital investment to cater in a better way to clients, meet working capital requirements as technology is evolving day by day. So a lot of investment goes in R&D and human resource. So money will be channelized toward this general corporate purposes, as you can understand, basic expenses of the corporate. Financial objectives, prepaying of loans of worth 22 crores. So companies looking to go leverage free after this IPO, purchasing cloud computing equipment for data centers worth 155 crore. So as you can make out, that companies looking to invest in infrastructure and also are trying to establish their own capital infrastructure and stop relying on other data centers. So they are looking for 155 crores for this. Funding long-term working capital requirements. So long-term capital requirements generally goes in human resource as far as software company is concerned, since the cost of coders in our country has been climbing since last 2 to 3 years. So the 75 crores will be catering to those expenses. Moving forward, IPO managers and listing platform. Since it is a SME IPO, so you won't find any big names in the form of lead manager or registrar of to the issue. So lead manager is Sharini Shares Private Limited, and registrar to the issue is Skyline Financial Services Private Limited. Platform of the IPO listing, as I have told in the previous slide, is BSE SME. So it won't come on the main platform of Bombay Stock Exchange, but on the SME platform. Coming to the strengths, so experienced promoters and employee base. Company has experienced promoters who has been, you know, taking company towards growth since many years. One-stop shop for managed business solutions to diversified customer base. So company generally caters to the business houses for their technological requirements, e-learning, mobile learning solutions, Acnic application tracking system for staffing solutions. So company also provide human resource management solutions to corporate houses. So, and latest technology usage for digital printing. So company has latest technology and continuously company is involved in R&D to come up with latest technology for digital printing and cater to in a greater way to its customers. Cost advantage in product diversifications strategy. Since there are diversified range of products, so company has cost advantage since the human resource and all other resources of the company gets completely utilized in different forms of products. Coming to the weaknesses of the company, software as a service company stand for SaaS. Products are managed services, continuous access, which is critical aspect of customer business. So this is a customer type of business. So company has to continuously be involved with the customers. So this can be a weakness for the company considering its size and its competition with with large size companies like TCS and Wipro. Second weakness is inability to prevent service disruptions as product offering involve access to the firm's cloud computing infrastructure services. So as you know, company has been using cloud computing infrastructure services of outsourcer. So they are looking to now establish data center of their own using the money they are going to raise from the IPO. So this weakness will be prevented after the IPO. Failing in innovating and adapting to new technologies or evolving industry and customer standards can adversely affect business and financials. So as you know, companies of small size, so investing in R&D will be very difficult for the company at a large scale. So it may lag behind in technological advancement, and an online security breach can raise doubts on firm's credibility, as many business houses are using the cloud services of the company. Any online breach from geopolitical from other countries can open sensitive data to the world of different corporate houses. So this will remain the weakness of the company moving forward. So now we will decide that should you invest in this IPO or not. So since this is a small company, so I recommend that people with higher risk appetite only invest in this IPO, and conservative and new investors should avoid and look for the large cap IPOs. Thank you.